Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students. We create learning activities for kids. Our fun activities are focused on reading, writing, and maths. Thank you for joining us to learn with us today. My name is Rashti Patel, and in today's activity, we will be learning how you can read a prose and a poetry with a small example. So let's just go ahead for this activity. Hello kids. So now let us begin our first prose. What's the heading of this prose? It's about a blackbird and the cherry tree, which is written by Sue Peterson. So let's just go ahead and read the story. You all also have to read with me and use your pen and pencil to write and take some notes which you can use to answer my question at the end. Okay? So are you all ready? Let's just begin. Once upon a time, there was a black bird that lived in a cherry tree outside my window. So tell me, what is the color of the bird? It's black. And where does the bird live? It lived on the cherry tree, which is located outside the author's window. Every day the blackbird would sing and sing. When I ate my breakfast, the blackbird ate his breakfast. When I ate my lunch, the blackbird ate his lunch. When I ate my dinner, the blackbird ate his dinner. When I had a snack, the blackbird had a snack too. The blackbird always ate the cherries of the cherry tree outside my window. So now I have a small question for you. Name the 3 meals of the day. It's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And what is snacks? Snack is something which we used to eat in between some part of the days, right? What does the blackbird eat in breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or in any of the meal? It always used to eat cherries. Okay, as it lives on a cherry tree, it will eat cherry which is present on the trees where it lived. One day, the author's mother, was going to make a cherry pie. We picked all the cherries off the cherry tree outside my window. So as they are making the cherry pie, they took all the cherries from the cherry tree. Now mother made the pie. Mother washed the cherries. Then she put them in the crust to bake. When it was baked, she put the pie by the window to cool off. She opened the window and I was eating my breakfast. So tell me, what is the first step the mother do? She washed the cherries. Going ahead, she put them in the crust and she baked the cherries so as to make the pie. Then she tried to cool down the pie by putting it on the window. And what was author doing at that time? He was eating his breakfast. I saw a blackbird fly around the tree. So while having the breakfast, the author saw the blackbird fly around the tree. There was no cherries on the tree. I saw the blackbird fly in through the window to sit by me. He flew over the window by the pie. I smiled. The blackbird looked at me and he smiled. So what happened is, now it's the time of author's breakfast, and at the same time the bird also used to have its breakfast, right? But at that point of time, there were no cherries on the tree, and the bird was moving around and around and around to get the cherries. Then he passed by the window and he saw the pie, the cherry pie, which his mother put on the window to cool down. Author smiled at the bird and the bird even smiled at the author. The blackbird said that at last, I will have my pie without ice cream. What do we generally used to have with pie? We used to have it with ice cream. So the bird said, I will have the pie without ice cream. And with that, the blackbird took the pie under his wing. He took the pie under his wing, flew out of the window. He flew up the cherry tree to hide. I saw him as he hid the cherry pie in a little hole in that tree. The blackbird stole the cherry pie. I shouted. Who shouted? The author shouted. That blackbird stole the pie. When I looked outside, I saw the blackbird eating the whole pie, which was made of the cherries. He was eating the crust. He was eating the cherries. Soon it was all gone, and now they both were looking at each other and smiling. So, I have a small question for you guys. Who flew away with the cherry pie? It's the bird. Did the author saw the bird flying with the cherry pie? Yes, the author saw the flying with the cherry pie. And the very last question. What did the bird eat at the end? The bird ate the cherry pie. So now we will have a look on the poetry. Let's just go ahead with it. Goodbye, winter, spring is in the air. Flowers are in bloom, you see colors everywhere. Birds build their nest, branches way up high. But out of my window, that love woke me up again. So, goodbye winters. What season comes after winters? It's the spring, and spring is the season of flowers. Flowers are grown everywhere in the ground, and you can see trees with beautiful and colorful flowers. Birds build their nest in the branches way up high. So, where do the birds build? They build up their nest on the high branches of the tree because each of the tree now have good flowers and everything. And they used to chirp across all over the window. That wakes up the poet, and so he says that he is woken up by the loud voice of the bird. Thank you. Thank you for joining with us to learn today. We hope you come back and learn some more with us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will be back with more such fun videos. Till then, see ya.